Hello everyone, good morning. So today I was served French toast on bed, and of course I loved the breakfast. So I'm lucky that way that I get served my breakfast on bed. And I have parents who take care of things and just let me relax and work the entire day. The French toast was so yummy that I just could not stop taking pictures of myself. And at the same time, I had to notice that there are so many boxes behind me. Oh my god. I mean, when I was in Bangalore, so all of my things that are inside this box right now were over there. When I came back to Calcutta, I asked the packers and movers to pack everything inside the box and bring it back to Calcutta. So, anyways, talking about French toast, this is a cafe in France. Do you like cafes? I do not know. I think I am mostly into, you know, yes, I like going to cafes and restaurants, and sometimes I also enjoy having my and tea on bed and doing my work from bed. So, I wanted to give you the recipe of French toast, and I did not know where to go, which website to look at, where to find the authentic recipe of French toast. So, anyways, I thought, what could be done? Should I overthink? Should I just go this way? Should I go that way? Now, should I wear my I am at home band and tell it to myself that everything is just fine and remind myself that when I am at home, nothing can irritate me. No outside things can bother me. There is nothing that I'm going to worry about. So let's get to the recipe. Here is a bowl, and on it you break some eggs. And there are some people who like to add milk to their French toast. And I'll tell you, this is not a very vegan recipe. So you add pepper, then you add sugar, and then you add salt. Then you turn on the stove, and you just add uh, you know like you fry the French toast, and you do have your French toast ready. You can eat it with yogurt, butter, more butter, some syrup, or just with fruits. I had a lot of fruits after my breakfast. Enjoy.